I'm about 5 minutes into section 2, Kings Range Road, and there's some gravel. And there's also these big ass ruts on the edge of the road, and I was coming in too hot and almost dipped the front wheel. Would have been a bad end to the first day, but we made it, pulled off, took a chill, and we're back up. Fuck me. Oh, that was so much sketchy gravel. Oh, that fucking sucked. Almost dumped it probably 4 times. Like seriously wobbling through. Just bad. Section 2, man. Deep gravel switchbacks. Oh, tough. For a beginner, like me, on a heavy bike. A light bike would make all the difference. Like BRZ, man, I'd be able to shred on that thing. And a spilled energy drink in the top box, drying everything else out in the sun. Quite a view. Yesterday was the summer solstice. It looks like we had some sort of ritualistic celebration. It's beautiful. Cool. Weird. I like it.